The Layers toolbar allows you to make further adjustments and interactions with existing layers. This icon opens the Layer Properties window. Note that in this project I have the doors, windows and wardrobes in separate layers and with different colors to distinguish the geometry. When you select the Capture Layer icon, you can then click on any of the existing objects in the drawing and Dibac will display their respective layer in the layer bar. This is a very useful function to know the layer of a specific object of the drawing. Note that doing this will set that layer as the current active layer, and therefore whatever you draw afterwards will be assigned to the layer unless you change the current layer beforehand. The Rename Layer icon allows you to change the name of the current layer except the default layer 0. This icon allows you to delete the layers except layer 0. To do this, open the Delete Layer window, select a layer, and press OK. Note that this function deletes the layer and the objects contained within that layer. The Copy Layer function allows you to create a duplicate of the content of one layer and send it to another one. Be aware when using this function because you are actually creating another copy of the objects within that layer, and this geometry will be placed on top of the original objects. This is an example of what this function does. Create a new layer called Staircase. Now open the Copy Layers window. Select the layers that will be copied to another layer. You can select more than one pressing the Ctrl key while clicking on the layers. In this case, I will only select lines. Now select the destination layer and press OK. As you can see, the object seems like they have changed their color to the staircase layer color. However, if I freeze the lines layer, move this geometry, and then unfreeze the lines layer again, you can see that these objects are actually duplicated, and these copies are the ones that belong to the staircase layer. Now in the Layer Properties window, you can work with this layer as a unique layer. To erase the layer and its content, you can use the Delete Layer function. Finally, we have the Layer Manager icon. This function allows you to create groups of layers and indicate the status of the layers held within. For example, I'm going to create two groups, Joineries and Other. In this group, I'm going to freeze walls and lines. And in this group, I'll freeze doors, windows, and wardrobes. Now I can select one of the groups and press Apply to display the visibility of the layers all together.